Hello, welcome to Noun and Update. If you are new to this channel, you might be missing a lot because we break down solutions and give guidelines and procedure on this channel so that you can be able to solve things on your own. And today what we have for you is how to be able to check your courses, how to be able to print out your course slips or registration slips and other things. So we'll break down complex issues and solve it for you, give you step-by-step guides on how to be able to solve those issues. And today, as I told you earlier on, we'll be giving you guides on how to be able to print out your course slips, your registration slips, and all sorts. So firstly, after you log into your home page, you need to log in first. That is the first thing. You need to log into your student home page. Then after you log in, it will take you to this page. This is the home page of your student email, student portal. And for example, if you have not registered for this student for this semester, you have to come to this register for the semester, and if you click on it, it's going to take you to a page where you're going to generate a remitter code. And I think I've already done a video on that, how to generate a remitter code and also make payment. So this ones you can come here and also go to bursary and make payment. But let's say for instance you've already generated a remitter code, you've registered for the semester, which I already told you in the earlier videos, and you want to print out your register courses. You just have to come to this register my courses. So you hold on for it to load, let it load. So you come to this my courses, let it load, and once it's loaded you go to this. It has loaded. So you also click on this notice board so that you can remove that. Then you see these submenus and this place. This is where you are coming to see this place. So let's say for instance you've registered your courses and you want to print it out. So you can come to this place, see all registered courses. This place, see all registered exams, see register courses, see exam registration slip rather. So this one too, see course registration slip. Let's just say for instance you want to see your course registration slip. You click on this, it will load your courses that you have registered for this semester and maybe previous semester. You see those courses there. Let it just load, and once it's loaded you will see the courses there in total. Let it just go. It's going. I think there is a bit network lagging, so let us wait for it, let it load, so that I will show you how exactly you can be able to print it out yourself and easily, because we have a lot of students who are reaching out to us on this and how would they print out their registration slips, their courses and all sorts. So we decided to do this so that you can be able to do it yourself. And without taking much of our time, let me just pause it, let it load, and we'll continue from there. Okay, so I purposely click on that see course register slip for this semester. If you have not registered for your compulsory fees, that means your semester fee, you've not registered, you will not be able to see the courses you've registered so far. So if you want to do that, because you have to register those courses and be able to see your courses that you want to print out, and you must have registered for them in the first place. So also maybe course registration slips here, you want to also check. Let's just quickly check those ones there. The same thing I'm going to show you. So it's telling me that I've not registered for this current semester, so I have to go back and make sure that I register for this current semester before I will see those courses, register them and come and print. So in a nutshell, after you have registered your courses and you want to print them, just come to this place. You see the current courses you have registered, and you also see the exam registration courses as well. Then click on it, you will see the courses, then you also see print. Let's quickly register for this semester with this so that I can show you little out of it, then you can see how it works. Right now I'm back to the home page. So I want to register for the semester. I needed to make it more quick. I click on this register for the semester here. You're going to see it at the left corner of your home page. Just click on it, but make sure that you've loaded your wallet first. If your wallet has not been loaded, so you have to load it and credit your wallet. You have a video that I've done on that, how to credit your wallet or fund your wallet. So just go ahead and check it out, then fund your wallet by yourself, load it into the portal, and also come here to register for the semester first. Once you click on this register for the semester, it's going to load up where you're going to make the payment if you have loaded the money. So right now I've clicked on the register for the semester, and it have taken me to this page. This is the page. Now you just have to go there. For those people that don't know how to register for their semester, this is an opportunity for you to do that. So after that, you just scroll down. You scroll down to this page. You're going to see the amount you're going to pay. Let us say this is the amount. It varies from undergraduate, postgraduate, new student, and also. So the amount will be there automatically. Just once you already click on this register for the semester, it will take you to the page. You see your total amount, and if you have loaded, if you have money in your wallet, and you don't need to just come to this register for the semester. You don't click on initiate payment again, because if you click on it, it will take you back to your meter portal where you're going to load you're going to load as if you want to make payment again. You want to fund your wallet. So if you have funded your wallet, just come to this register student and click on it. Let it load. It's loading. Then yeah, it has loaded. Yeah, everything will load. Now you have successfully registered for this semester. This is how it goes. Let's see now. So we can now go back to my course. Let's click on this my courses. It's loading. We'll see all the courses now, so you can see how you can be able to print it out. Yeah, it has loaded again. I want to close. So right now I can see my courses. They're just saying these are my courses. Let's see, these are my courses. Once it's load, it's loading. Yeah, it has gone. So it's going to show the courses that we're going to be registered for this semester. Then we'll pick it. After we pick it one after the other, then we can now go ahead and print it out. If we are finding it difficult to print it out, this is the way to print it out. These are the courses. The courses have loaded now. Can you see again, this is an opportunity for you. You're going to see all the courses you have registered plus the one that you have not registered, that you are supposed to register this semester. Don't click on make sure you read all this thing that is there. This is 800 level second semester. That means this is not your current courses. It will show you the current courses here. Can you see? He said this person have only one current course to register, and it's a project. Can you see what is there? So you must also make sure that you see this current course. If you want to register for current courses, you see it here. It's very, very important. It is very, very, very important. Don't go if you click on all these things, these are the previous courses you registered. Don't just make sure you check it out. Can you see yourself your second semester research? Then the current course will be here. You have to focus on this current course that you want to register, so that you don't make mistake. Focus on this. Then just click on it. Once you click on it, it asks you if you don't have if your money is not enough. We tell you that your money is not enough. Go and do this and do that. Do you understand? So if your money is enough, once you click on it, to ask you to submit. Then go ahead and submit it. So that is how we're going to do this for you. I believe you've gotten what you need. And if you want to print your distance, just click on see registered exam students and exam slips. Once you click on it, it will show you those courses that you have registered for exam, and you just click Control Print, or you're going to say print under it beneath the courses. Then after that, you just go ahead and print it. Simple as ABC. So you just follow the procedure and the guideline that is here. Before you can do that, make sure that you funded your wallet, you've credited your wallet, and all those things. We have done the video on how to fund your wallet, how to credit your, how to fund your wallet, how to credit your wallet, make sure that the money is reflecting on your portal. Then how to register your courses. Now how to print it, your course slips and all sorts. So you can see it here as well. So let's go back to the page, and this is how it can be. Once you've already see, if you have registered for those courses, you will see it here. Just click on print or click on Ctrl P. You will see it on the phone. Click on print and save it as well as PDF. Then you are good to go. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Bye.